Hello and welcome to another profit trailer video. This one, pretty pertinent for the timing, is on upgrading profit trailer. So when a new version is released, we'll just go step through a simple process of upgrading and just a few little things you can do to make it a more seamless transition. I'd also like to say I'm not a financial advisor. Do not take financial advice from me. Make your own decisions, do your own research. If you're looking to buy a profit trailer in the now or the near distant future, remembering that before December 31st you will get a free Binance license with any Poloniex or Bittrex purchase, please use my affiliate link, which will be down in the description. Okay, to get to the update, you go to the GitHub for profit trailer. And as you see, bug fixes part 1, so we're going to assume part 2 is coming in the not too distant future. Maybe Tannerman will have a bit of a Christmas break, who knows. Might just power through. Anyway, he goes through and puts all the changelog, all the additions, the fixes, and anything new and that sort of stuff. It's a pretty good read, and I recommend you all do read it as you update, or before you update, and after you update, to learn anything new that's in the new edition. Firstly, before we even start to upgrade, and it's something that's recommended in the actual instructions, is to get a snapshot of your current holdings so we can check them after we upgrade. So as all I do is take a print screen of this. I've only got one DCA. Ignore these pairs. They're all being traded by my... Oh, what's going on there? These are all getting traded by my USDT bot, hence they're all in watch mode and some dust. So I've only got one pair on this bot. It's in DCA. It's DCA'd 0 times. Well, I don't know how correct that is. Anyway, take a print screen of that and just put it onto MS Paint or whatever program you've got. Just something you can look at after you've upgraded. And then the next thing you want to do is go into pairs config and just set this enable trading as false. Now this is not a mandatory step, but it's a good idea in case there is something wrong with the new update and it goes and messes up everything you've got, essentially. So set that to false and save. I'm not sure why that came up. Anyway, save it, and you'll notice after it updates, well, mine does anyway, all the DCAs and everything will go into the pairs log and come under watch mode. See if that ticks over in a second. There you go, it disappeared, and then in a minute it'll pick up here. Next update. Looking for BTC, BTG, Bitcoin Gold. There we go, and it's in watch mode. So I don't know why that happens, it just does. Doesn't matter. We're in trading enable false, so we're in watch mode completely. Alright, so from there, you want to close your bot. To do that, you just press Control C. You might have to do it a couple of times. Terminate batch job, yes. Enter. That's it, bot's off. Little red thing telling you it's off. Alright, so first things first, you want to download. Click on the profit trailer zip. I've already done it. I'm not going to do it again. It'll download the little zip file, open the zip file, and put the folder somewhere where you're going to use it. Well, mine's on my desktop. So here is the new update. Profit trailer, and I've pre-positioned this. This is the current BTC bot, so this is my live bot. It's currently not live because it's turned off. Alright, it's also a good idea to copy this, so Control C or right click and copy. Oh, I didn't mean to paste. Copy, make a new folder, back up and paste it in there. There's absolutely you do not have to do this. I don't even do it, but it's just a way to help you if shit hits the fan. You've got that backup logs and you just go back to it. Alright, so to upgrade is all you have to do in most cases. In other cases, I'm sure we'll get told that we need to do other stuff, but in most cases, is all you do is copy this profittrailer.jar and paste it into your current and replace the file. That is it. You are upgraded. Now, to open it, we do the old profittrailer.cmd. Opens up our console. A few lines of code, and we should get some heartbeats and the normal stuff you generally see. Right, and that's it. We're back live, but obviously, as we just talked about before, I'll just refresh this. We're live again, but we're currently in watch mode because we had sell only mode. So with your little print screen you had before, or if you wrote it down or whatever, check your average price. It should be the same as that bought price. Yep. I didn't actually copy paste mine, so I don't even know. I've already done this update before and I've checked it and it worked fine. So once you're happy with everything, and you think everything's right, nothing's going crazy, go back to your pairs and set this to true. Alright, we'll give it a few seconds and we'll go back to our DCA log and you'll notice everything's back to where it was. Same price as everything. Worked fine for me. And it should work fine for everyone. That's just a good thing to double check those prices before and after you enable the trading, just to make sure everything's good. Alright, what else can we talk about? What's new in this update? Let's actually just go to the release notes and have a bit of a chat about it. So out of the market in your sales log, so it just tells you whether you in your instead of me babbling about it, let's just go and show you. So I didn't even know it wasn't there before, wasn't it? I don't know. The markets, Bittrex, BTC, cool. Added tooltips for the tables, added dust log. So before you had to do the enable dust or hide dust equals true or false, and it comes up in your pairs log and it's just annoying. Now we've got this dust log. And we notice that Aeon that was in my pairs log when we were in watch mode is now sitting in my dust log. And I don't think it counts towards a pair. It shouldn't. Added a hot config in the config list. This is a great little addition in my opinion. So the two commands you can use with it at the moment, I'll go to the wiki, again the wiki's been updated, is your bought price and your reset stored average. So previously if your console came up and lost, or if your profit trailer lost the bought price for a coin and to say on the console, please manually set bought price, something like that. And you would have to go into your pairs and type in this line here, which I explained in one of my other videos. You'd have to unhash that, put in the right values and put in the right cost. And then you have to let profit trailer tick over a few ticks and then let it set it, and then you'd come back in and do the hashes how to delete it. So it's a pretty manual task, isn't it? Now, all you have to do is come into hot config, type in your pair, say LTC dash for Bittrex dash BTC, blah blah blah, bought price. Let's actually just read what it actually is. Underscore bought underscore price equals yada yada yada. Hit save, and that instantly sets your bought price in your DCA log or pairs log, and it deletes this line. So it's a one-off command, bang, it's deleted as soon as you press save. It's set, you don't have to worry about going and deleting the command later down the track. And the other command is, I haven't had to use this yet, but it's a reset your stored average. This would be for DCA pairs, I'm assuming. So you would say for whatever reason your profit trailer loses your average price, you can try and reset it using that command. Again, it deletes as soon as you press save. So it's sort of just like an instant command. And if it doesn't do that, if it doesn't work, then you have to go through and manually do it like this, manually figure out your average and put it in like this again. So it's a pretty good addition in my opinion. Aligned some stuff, just fixed some main stuff in the monitoring page. Yeah, I don't want to say that. Just fixed a few alignment issues in there that I honestly didn't notice before, but as a dev I'm sure it's one of the things you want to look at, and they do. Use all in the show entries in the sales log, cool. Icons change, I haven't noticed them yet. The profit in the sales log, so if I just go to my BTC sales log, we've now got this profit column, we've got the in the dollars. So I think that's an addition a lot of people like. I like it. It's just, I know it doesn't really reflect what the actual profit is because BTC and US dollar fluctuate wildly, but especially right now. What is it down at? 13 odd, went down to nearly 13. So yeah, that it's not exactly accurate, but it's a good figure to look at. Makes it give it a warm and fuzzy. Right, where are we? Days since data column. So this will tell you how long you've had it basically. Instead of you doing some basic math and figuring out, you can just figure out, oh, I've had it for 6 days or whatever. That'll tell you. More visual stuff. So the SOM triggers have been removed. The support for SOM triggers have been removed for Binance Exchange, as well as a consecutive buy. And I'm not sure about that one, but it's something to do with a lot of people have been having the IP bans from their Binance bots, and I think they've removed this to try and get on top of that first. Not even sure about that bug. Yep. Separate dust log, we'll talk about that. This I haven't actually tested because I can't test it, but I assume if you change markets on the same bot, as soon as you start it up, it'll clear all the previous market stuff out of the sales log, so you can have a bit of consistency there. You can hide pairs now as long as they're disabled. So we'll go to the pairs. There's the pairs. I don't think it is. Might only be here. So you've got all hidden pairs equals BTC-LTC blah blah blah, but it only works if you actually disable that pair as well. All right, the bought pricing, it's deprecated, so it's going to be, because it's now in that hot config, that'll be removed in the future. It won't even be an option in that pairs file. This was actually fixed in the last issue, and just another reminder to make sure you got Java 131. Alright, that about wraps up the video. As usual, I've babbled on way too long about simple tasks, but hopefully I've taught you something or pointed you in the right direction. As I said earlier, if you're looking to buy a profit trailer, please use my affiliate link, and also come and jump in the Discord, the Goblin Discord. The link will also be in the description. It's a great community. Get in there and ask the questions and hang out. It's not just about profit trailer, it's about all things crypto. And just remember, I'm not a financial advisor, so please don't take advice from me. Make your own decisions and do your own research. If you liked the video and got something out of it, give us a thumbs up. If you've got something you want me to do a video on, chuck a comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all in the Discord. Cheers, guys.